There are messages emerging from Delhi which threatens AAP Supremo and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to Mood Tiranga. These messages were found inside the metro coaches in at least 2 metro stations. The pictures of these messages surfaced on social media. These threat messages were written on the walls of the metro coaches. At least 2 of these threats were on the signboards carrying the names of the Patel Nagar and Rajiv Chowk metro stations. In fact, many of these pictures also carried an Instagram handle. A senior police officer has said that they have received information about the matter. The police have launched an investigation into the case. The police have deployed a team to search for coaches on which the messages were written. After this, the AAP has accused the Bharatiya Janata Party of being behind the incident. The AAP has claimed that BJP is rattled by the fact that it is going to be defeated in all the 7 constituencies in Delhi in this Lok Sabha polls. AAP leader Atishi Marlena has said that BJP is hatching different conspiracies to target AAP Supremo and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal because of their impending defeat. Atishi said that there is danger to Arvind Kejriwal's life. She further added that when Arvind Kejriwal was lodged in the Tihar jail, his insulin was stopped for 15 days. AAP has claimed that a man has scribbled the message on the walls of 3 stations that are Rajiv Chowk, Patel Chowk and Patel Nagar. Atishi has cautioned Delhi police for not acting against the incident. However, to let you know, the Delhi police have launched an investigation into the case. Meanwhile, Sanjay Singh attacked the BJP for plotting an alleged attack on Arvind Kejriwal. Sanjay Singh further added that these threatening messages were a conspiracy directly from the Prime Minister's office. Let's hear Sanjay Singh's claim.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस कदर नफरत और बदला लेने की भावना में उतर आई है कि वो केजरीवाल की जान लेने तक के लिए तैयार है। अब चुनाव में नहीं जीत सकते तो ये सब हथकंडे अपनाते हैं। चुनाव में आप हार रहे हैं तो आप बौखला के कुछ भी करेंगे। और मैंने पहले भी बताया कि किस प्रकार से केजरीवाल पे हमले हो चुके हैं। मैं साफ तौर पे शासन को, प्रशासन को, चुनाव आयोग को, सबको यह बताना चाहता हूं कि जो भी हमला केजरीवाल पर करने की तैयारी है, अगर ऐसा कुछ भी होता है तो सीधे सीधे इसके लिए देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी, पीएमओ और भारतीय जनता पार्टी जिम्मेदार होंगे।
Sanjay Singh has claimed that PM Modi hates Kejriwal, so he is conspiring to kill him. Sanjay Singh has said that if anything happens to CM Arvind Kejriwal, then Prime Minister office, BJP and Narendra Modi will be responsible for it. So this is another twist in this whole election season. AAP, which is part of the opposition India bloc, is now saying that their leader's life is in danger. They are blaming BJP and the Prime Minister of the country for conspiring to kill CM Arvind Kejriwal. Well, that's all for this episode of Mood Tiranga. Till then, keep watching SW News English for all the updates on elections. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.